Does Netflix stop working even though your internet is perfectly fine? In this video, I'm going to show you some effective solutions to get Netflix working again on your iPhone. So, let's get into the fixes. Solution 1. Restart the app and iPhone. First, swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen. Clear all your apps from the recent list. Now restart your iPhone. After the restart, open your Netflix app again. Most of the time, this simple restart fixes temporary streaming bugs. Solution 2. Clear Netflix app cache. Go to Settings, find and tap General. Now tap iPhone Storage. Find Netflix and tap on it. Then tap Offload app and confirm your choice. After that is done, reinstall the app from here. This clears corrupted cache without deleting your account. Solution 3. Reset Internet Settings. Go to Settings, find and tap General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode and confirm your choice. This clears network bugs and reconnects cleanly. You can now reconnect to Wi-Fi and open Netflix again. And that's it. With these 3 solutions, Netflix should start working again even if your internet is perfectly fine. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Netflix fixes. See you next time.